Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact browser profile you'll modify. Once signed in, open Settings and go directly to On Startup or Appearance. Don't linger. Choose Open a specific page, type https://www.google.com and enable Show Home button if needed. Make sure to save or confirm changes before closing the dialog. This starts the change immediately and ties it to this profile. If you use multiple profiles, repeat those steps for each one to keep behavior consistent. Once the home page is set, you'll customize how Google behaves. You should open Google search settings to set region, results per page, and safe search so results match your needs. Then, in browser settings, decide if Startup should open a single page, multiple specific pages, or restore previous tabs. Pick the option that matches your workflow. Also inspect extensions and default search engine mappings, because an extension or a different search provider can override your homepage. Disable or reconfigure any conflicting extension. You finish by restarting the browser and verifying that Google opens on startup and the home button points to Google.com. Make sure sync is enabled if you want the same homepage across devices. Once synced, changes propagate automatically. If the page doesn't stick, clear the browser cache and cookies, then try again. This often removes stale settings. If problems continue, disable recently added extensions or reset the browser settings. Those two steps resolve the vast majority of conflicts and restore your chosen Google page.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.